Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error on PS5, the so-called HUENEME NEGEV error. This is pretty easy to fix. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to try to restart your console. If restarting won't work, just go ahead and power cycle it up. Now if you don't know how to do so, just go ahead and follow these steps right here. Press and hold the power button until the blinking LED light goes off. Unplug the power cord, let it sit for 20 minutes. Plug it back in and try turning the console on. Alright, after that, just go ahead and try to boot up the game and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, you might want to free up the console storage. Just go ahead and delete games that you don't play anymore or delete some other files. Alright, after that, try to play the game again and see if it helps. Now, what if that won't work? Don't worry, I still have plenty of options here for you. First one is to try to change the network that you're using. For example, you're using Wi-Fi right now, and you still have available options right here. For example, these ones right here, you might want to change it. All right. If you have a mobile data, all right, use your phone's hotspot to connect your PS5 and try to run the game and see if it helps. Now, if Ethernet connection is an option, that would be great. Try to use that as well and check if it helps. Now, what if that won't work? You're going to want to go ahead and go back to your main Wi-Fi. All right. Then change the frequency bands from 5 GHz to 2.4 or vice versa. Once done, just go ahead and try to boot up the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, go to the settings, then user accounts, select other, then sign out. Once done, go back and sign in. Access the sign in screen by going to the home screen and select settings, then user accounts. Once done, select account, then sign in. And after that, try to boot up the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, updating your console might fix the issue. All right, to do so, just go ahead and go to the settings, then system. Select system software, then system software update and settings. Update available appears if a newer version is available. If there is, just go ahead and install that. Once done, restart your console, boot up the game again and see if it helps. Now, lastly, if those solutions won't work, you might want to try to change your console's DNS. To do so, go to the settings page. On the setting page, go to network right here. Once you're on the network page, from the left bar, select settings, then go right and then select set up internet connection. Navigate to the network that you're using and then select it. From the menu, select advanced settings and then select DNS settings and set it to manual. All right. Now you're going to want to try this DNS by Google. Just go ahead and enter this one into primary DNS. Your primary DNS should be 8.8.8.8. All right. And the secondary is the 8.8.4.4. Once done, just go ahead and hit on OK. Wait for your PS5 to conduct a network test and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, you might want to try to use the Cloudflare's DNS. All right, instead of using this one, just go ahead and use this, which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. All right, and after that, try to boot up the game again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Now, if none of the workaround helps, it is time to contact Activision support for further information and assistance. And I hope this video helps them, please. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.